In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to withdraw crypto on Revolut. First thing you need to do is navigate to the crypto tab. Here, you're going to click on your crypto wallet. In this case, it's an Ethereum one. You can do several different things in your crypto wallet, as buy more crypto by clicking on buy, sell crypto, or send it. Here, you have two different options. One is to click send, then select whether you want to transfer to a crypto wallet or to your contact. Let's say that's it going to be a crypto wallet. Now, you will need to enter the crypto address and the wallet name. After that, click continue and confirm your transfer. If we go back, we also have the option to click on Revolut Friends. Here, you'll be able to send cryptocurrency directly to a friend already using Revolut. And that's how you withdraw crypto on Revolut. It's a simple process that gives you flexibility in managing your cryptocurrency holdings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.